Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Hope you have a very good entrance of the year and finally we passed 2020, so hopefully this new year will be much better. And for sure many of you have on your resolutions list for this new year create a YouTube channel. So recently I did a resolutions list video where I am explaining how to achieve your resolutions for new year. I will let it here. But today I will focus into creating a YouTube channel in 2021. So the purpose is to really talk to you about the advantages and disadvantages of creating a new channel in 2021. But also the main purpose is to encourage you and really provide you of this motivation that you need from passing into wanting to create a YouTube channel to really do it right now. So if this is your case and you are still hesitating, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, there is no best time in history for starting a YouTube channel. Nowadays that we are living in pandemic times, that many of us are staying at home, we cannot go out and do the activities we used to do before, so we are spending so many hours at home that many of them are empty hours and empty time that we could use to really employ it into new activities. So yeah, you'll guess it. One of them is creating a new channel and starting uploading videos in YouTube. You won't have more time than now for doing this. Really is the best time and you need to take advantage of what you have now. You can start a new YouTube channel right now from your home. It's so easy to do it that you should not wait. Second, I will tell you, it's never too late. We tend to think that YouTubers became famous many years ago, and yeah, there are some cases, but there are also many people that are starting a YouTube channel nowadays. Really is so easy because now we have the experiences from all the YouTubers, we have all the tutorials, we have video edition tools, we have many information about this that they didn't have before. So yeah, I think we are privileged and we should take advantage of it. Third, it's free. It's totally free. You don't have to spend any money for starting a YouTube channel. Many of us have a smartphone with camera. Well, then you can start recording with your smartphone. I actually made a video explaining it. I will let it like here. And yeah, it's so easy. You don't need to spend any money for starting a YouTube channel. But I must say, well, you won't spend money, but you will spend time. That's something I'll explain later. Point 4. You will have new challenges and you will learn a lot of new things. Starting a YouTube channel nowadays implies many different things, not only the content of the videos, like the ideas you have, but also the video edition, the communication with your community in YouTube, and many other things that are really enjoyable. I think it's super interesting, this world, that you will keep learning each day. 5. You will have a community of people with similar interests as you, which is so great. Nowadays that we are having less social interactions with our friends and our family, it's so great to have a platform where you can share information with people interested in the same things you are, when you can start discussions that could be enrichful for everyone. I really think that's one of the best reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. 6. Way of expression. I love this platform because it allows you to put wherever you feel, whatever you think, whatever you want to communicate into the world. so everyone can see it. You can take advantage of your creativity, and with the video format, I think it's more visual, more interactive, more creative. So I would say it's one of the best ways to express yourself. But, well, we just talk about the advantages, but as everything, it also has disadvantages. I must ask you, do you have something to talk about that translates into video ideas? What moves you into starting a YouTube channel? Is that because you want to live from YouTube, or is it as a hobby? Those are things that should be taken into account when you start a YouTube channel. Also, what is the most important of all is that you really enjoy the process of video creation and video edition, because it takes time. It's not that easy, it's not that fast. You will need to spend a lot of time, especially at first, with this video creation and video edition. And that's something that if you are only looking for results now, you are not going to be able to endure a lot of time without seeing results. That's why if you don't enjoy this process, you won't be long in YouTube. But I don't want to discourage you. This is something you can try. Some people don't think it's going to be their thing, but then they try it and appears to be their thing. So it's very personal, and as I said before, it's free. You really have the time now to do it. There is no best time. So really, if you are still hesitating about it, don't hesitate more, just do it. There should be no doubts. You don't have anything to lose but a lot to win. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope that if you were hesitating about starting a new channel, you don't have any more doubts and you just jumped into starting a new one. I would love to read your story, so let me know in the comments. And if it's really being useful for you, this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. And just to remind you that if you haven't subscribed yet, I really encourage you to subscribe because I am uploading new videos every week. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next one.